Hello friends, our computer goes slow over time. So what are all the things that we can do to resume the speed of our computer? One simple step is to clear all temporary files. For that you need to press Windows and R button and write %temp and %. Click on it, a folder will open up. You need to click Ctrl A to select all the files there and press delete. You have to give them administrator rights and click OK. While it deletes, it will ask that some of the files cannot be deleted, so you need to skip them all. Once all the files are skipped, you are good to go. Now, when you have cleared your temporary files, what you need to do is to check your C drive. So click on the folder, go to My Computer. In Windows 8 or 8.1 you will see this PC or all the drives which you have. When you see it, you need to analyze that the space is not red, means the bar that details the tile menu which you have is showing either blue or some other color but not red. Red indicates that your hard drive is not in its proper configuration. For proper configuration you have to it has to be 20 to 25% free space. So if there is not much space left in your C drive, kindly transfer some of the files from C drive to D or E, whatsoever you have. And if there is no data files in C, only applications are installed in C, so you can uninstall some of the heavy softwares or games from C and install it in D drive or E drive or whatsoever you have. Now when you have done that, you are good to go, and we have a clean C drive with a lot of space free. So now, even if it has good space left, there can be some temporary files. So what we need to do is go to properties and see how much space is left, and we can use disk cleanup utility that is already present in there to check for all the files, temporary internet files, offline web pages files, setup block files and all those, and we can delete all of them to gain space and subsequently the speed. So you can select all of them and click OK to delete. It will ask for write again and just delete files. But while these files are being deleted, what else you can do is go to tools and defragment your drive. Earlier Windows 7 used to have analysis and defragmentation as another things, but in Windows 8 you just need to click on optimize and defragmentation window will pop up. Since it has popped up and saying 1% fragmented or whatever percentage is fragmented, it has analyzed itself in the course of time. It is not analyzing all the time, so you can analyze and see if the value has changed or not. If it's up to 1, 2 or 3%, there is no much needed defragmentation required, but if it's more than 3 or 4%, you should at least do one fragmentation for that. Fragmentation does what? Fragmentation actually moves all your files in a sequence, not in clutters. Some files are spread in clutters. As you uninstall them, spaces between them are left. So it recombines all the spaces to clear up some space and give your hard disk a better readability. So while this is analyzed and you get to know that this much of hard disk is left unfragmented or fragmented, you just need to click on defragmented. So when you click on defragment, it will take time. Or sorry, in Windows 8 we have optimize button. So if you click on optimize, it will get analyzed first, and then it will start defragmenting. Your defragmentation will go in up to 7 to 8 stage, and it may take time depending upon the space on your C drive. Since my C drive is only 75 GB and it has already been defragmented 2 or 3 days ago, so it won't take much time. But in your case, if it has not been defragmented from a long time, it can take up to half an hour or 1 hour. So uh, do this step only when your battery is fully charged or you are connected to power source. Okay, you can cancel this defragmentation anytime you want, but a suggestion is that you should let it complete in one go. So when this defragmentation is complete, what next you can do is to uninstall all those unwanted extensions in Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox or whatsoever browser you use. Generally what happens, if when we download free applications from internet, some free extensions also get downloaded and they pop up just below the address bar. So we need to uninstall them either by uninstalling from Google Chrome by going to the extension button, and uninstall all those extensions you do not want to have. You can just simply click on the delete and this extension will be deleted. If you don't want to delete, you can have that. If you think that is usable, you can have that. So when all the extension has been removed, there can be still some extensions that are not deleted. So you need to uninstall them from your control panel. Go to control panel, uninstall a program, and there you will see, you'll just see the name of the extension that is there, and click on that and click on uninstall. Okay, so this is another step. Now what next you can do? Sometimes when our computer runs, it goes low on RAM. So to improve the space to use your RAM efficiently, what you need to do is to disable all the Aero themes that you have. So for disabling Aero themes, what you need to do is go to my computer, or directly you can go to properties and advanced system settings. In advanced system settings, go to performance and settings, and there you can adjust for best performance. In best performance, all those extra features are clicked out. If you want to keep some of them, you can simply click on custom and enable all those features that you want from Windows 7, 8, 8.1 or whatever Windows you have. When you have enabled it, just simply click on apply and OK. So this is the way you can free much of your RAM to use it in applications. What next? Next you can use some of the applications like CCleaner or AVG tune-up utility to continuously manage your free space and all those things to speed up your computer. So what we need to do is to go to CCleaner website and download a peer. It's a Peerform website with CCleaner. You can download it, you can run it, optimize it, This is another way of doing things, and one of the simplest way to get your computer out of clutters is by using application AVG TuneUp utility. You can get a free copy of that for 30 days, or you can download it from torrent, a cracked version, but kindly support AVG if you use their softwares. You can download from torrent by writing AVG TuneUp. TuneUp utility. This is a simple application that you need to install and You need to be worry free for your computer every time. You just need to do the process once in a month or so, and you can have your computer in a heavy mode. But why to waste RAM on these applications? You can spend 5 to 10 minutes on your computer by these simple steps and make your computer faster and evergreen. Thank you. Hope you speed up your computer by these processes and it help you regain the speed of your computer.